Setting up your HP printer on a wireless network in macOS using HP Smart. When you have fully unboxed your HP Plus printer, you will need to set up the printer with HP Smart to be able to print. HP Plus is a complete printing solution combining innovative print hardware, optional instant ink services, and exclusive HP Smart app features to deliver a simple, seamless, and sustainable printing experience, all for using original HP ink. HP standard printers are printers available without the benefit of HP Plus. HP standard printers, however, still use dynamic security, which may be updated periodically by firmware updates. These printers are intended to be used solely with cartridges using an original HP chip or circuitry. Cartridges using a non-HP chip or modified or non-HP electronic circuitry may not function or may cease to function. This video shows the HP Plus printer setup. For HP standard printers, some of the images in the video may not be available or applicable. Before you install HP Smart, you can refer to the setup poster or postcard after unboxing your printer. To successfully set up and install your printer, gather the following materials and information: a Mac that is connected to the wireless network in which you want to connect your printer, an HP printer turned on and in a ready state, an active internet connection, and the wireless network password or key if required by your network. Note: to set up and use your printer, it must always be connected to the internet. On your macOS computer, open a browser and go to 123.hp.com. Enter your printer model into the search field and choose your model from the list. Select Next. Select Install HP Smart. In the App Store, select the Install icon. After the app installs, select Open. On the welcome screen, select Continue to agree to the terms of use. And then choose whether or not you want to send data to HP by selecting either Yes or No. HP Smart only detects printers connected to the same network as your Mac or in setup mode. Setup mode activates the first time you turn on your printer and lasts for 2 hours. If it has been longer than 2 hours since you first turned on your printer, reset the printer network settings. For printers without a touch display, press the Cancel button to wake the printer from sleep mode. Press and hold the wireless and cancel buttons at the same time for 5 seconds. To reset the printer network settings for printers with a touch display, swipe down to open the control panel dashboard. Touch the gear icon, then Network Setup, then Restore Network Settings. Touch Yes when prompted. Once your printer is in setup mode, return to your Mac and HP Smart will display 3 options. This video will show how to set up a new printer. Select Set up a new printer. HP Smart will search for your printer. When it finds the printer, it will show on the screen. Select Setup. HP Smart will confirm it is ready to set up your printer. Select Continue. HP Smart will ask for your Wi-Fi password to access the wireless network you are currently connected to. Select Continue. macOS requires the admin's login to continue. Enter your admin username and password and select Allow. HP Smart begins the process connecting your printer to the wireless network. For security, you will need to confirm your proximity to the printer. If your printer does not have a touchscreen, press the Information button on the printer. If your printer does have a touchscreen, tap the check mark on the printer display. HP Smart will confirm when it finishes connecting the printer to the wireless network. Select Continue. In order to deliver printing and cloud services, data is collected from your printer to sync your HP Smart app and HP account. Select Continue. Your HP Plus printer comes with an additional year of HP warranty and 6 months of free toner and delivery with an optional print plan trial. Select Continue. For your printer to operate after activating HP Plus, you must be signed in to your HP account, be connected to the internet, and only use HP Original Ink. Select Activate HP Plus. An HP account sign-up page displays. Fill out the information and select Create Account to create a new HP account. If you already have an existing HP account, scroll down and select Sign In. On the next page, enter your email and password and select Sign In. HP Smart will register your HP Plus printer with your HP account. You can choose to accept or skip the HP Plus offer, but this video will continue with accepting the offer. Select Continue to redeem 6 months of free printing and sign up for print plans. Choose your preferred plan, then provide a shipping address and billing details. Your HP Plus subscription is now complete. Select Continue. HP Smart will then direct you through the remaining prompts to finish setting up your printer. Depending on your specific printer model, these steps may differ. Simply follow the prompts provided to complete the process, including setting up any available services or software. To print from other devices, you can visit 123.hp.com from your mobile device or other computers. Select Skip this step for now. Your HP printer setup is now complete. You can now print pages. Select Skip Printing Page for now. HP Smart will return to the home screen and show your printer in a ready status. You are now ready to start printing.